Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Oukitel WP35 for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open Settings, navigate to Accessibility, then look for Display and Size and the text, and right here we'll be able to adjust our font size, which changes the size of the text on your entire device. Then there's the display size, which changes the size for basically everything, like buttons, icons, and the text as well. Then we can scroll down and activate bold text, which will increase a thickness of the font. Also high contrast text, which adds black or white outline to the text to make it more visible on some of the screens. And as you can see on the home screen, there's a black outline to the white text. And then now we can go back and enter color and motion. Right here I recommend to enable remove animations, which will reduce motion sickness when using your phone. Then we can scroll down and select magnification. When activated, you should get the magnification icon floating around the screen. You can click on it, then your screen will turn on with orange outlines. Click anywhere else to zoom in, and then if you want to zoom out, click on the loop icon yet again. And that would be all of the features I would recommend to change on this device. Of course, you can experiment here in accessibility and adjust the settings however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.